What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, back for another video. And in this video, I'm going to be covering a topic that I get asked about all the time, all over social media, almost every single day, it feels like. And that's, Ed, how do I accurately calculate the repair estimates on a property that I'm looking into? Right? So a lot of people are out here like all over the place when it comes to what are the repairs necessary inside of this place. Well, in this video, make sure that you stay tuned to the end, guys, because I've got a quick, easy, replicatable process that you can implement into your business right away. So within minutes, you can know exactly what you should say that the repair estimates are on the property so you can make accurate, viable offers on properties right away. So I hope that y'all pumped for this content, man. Look, go ahead, hit that like button for me now if you pumped for this, and let's go ahead, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try to keep this as short and simple and straight to the point as possible. So when you're looking into a property that needs a light repair, let's just say that a light repair is like, it needs some new carpet. Maybe there was a tenant living there recently. Maybe the property just needs a little sprucing up. It isn't in terrible condition. It pretty much just needs a little TLC. Nothing too major to actually get it into position to be able to sell. That's gonna be a light rehab. In that scenario, I'm gonna multiply the square footage of the property by 5 to 10. All right, so on 1,000 square foot property, that would mean that on a light rehab, that's gonna be looking like between $5,000 to $10,000 on those repairs. Now, on a medium rehab, I will multiply the square footage of the property by 20 to 30. So once again, in that 1,000 square foot property example, a medium rehab, which I would consider a property that needs some new windows, definitely needs paint throughout. Maybe the floors need revarnishing and or new carpet. Maybe there are some holes in the ceilings, but it's not completely gutted down to the studs. A property that seems like it's kind of outdated. Maybe it was built in like the early 2000s and now it's 2020, 2021, and this property is gonna need a good amount of TLC, but not a complete makeover of the property for it to be in rentable or rehabable condition. All right, I would multiply the square footage of that property by 20 to 30. All right, so in 1,000 square foot property example, the repair estimate on that property would be between $20,000 to $30,000. Now, in a full gut rehab situation, which I would consider to be a property that has tons of holes all across the wall, and or it's like it's gutted down to the studs. Like there's all you see is planks of wood hanging up. You don't see no walls. Like properties like that completely need a full renovation because there's almost nothing inside of the property. Or maybe the roof is completely destroyed, the basement is flooded with water, and there's tons of other properties. The half of the building was on fire a couple years ago and they haven't repaired it yet. I would consider that to be a full gut rehab, or also like heavy repairs in general. Okay, in that scenario, for 1,000 square foot property, I'm gonna multiply the square footage of the property by 40 to 60. So in 1,000 square foot scenario, that repair estimate is looking like $40,000 to $60,000. All right, so this equation has helped me tremendously throughout my wholesaling career. And I tell wholesalers all the time that's just getting started, like, look, you don't want to feel like you have to come up with this magic number, or like this, like, oh, if my repair estimates aren't extremely perfect, then I'm gonna lose out on the deal, or no one's gonna want to buy it, and things of that nature. If you really take what I just gave you all into consideration, you have everything you need to know to get out here and accurately estimate the repair estimates for a property. All right. So I really hope this video helps you all. Don't think that you need to kind of put yourself into this box of like, the repair estimates are going to be exactly this number. Don't spend too much time trying to think about it too hard. You're looking at the pictures 15 million times trying to figure out, oh, what is every little item going to cost? And you're coming up with itemized list of how much everything. You don't have to do all of that, guys. All you need to have is a quick, replicatable, easy way to estimate what the repairs would be looking like on this property. And then from there, it's really up to your buyers to do their own due diligence and determine for themselves how much it's going to cost to rehab this property. All right, so feel confident with these equations. You either have a light rehab, in which case you would multiply the square footage of the property by 5 to 10, or you can have a medium rehab where you'll multiply the square footage of the property by 20 to 30, or you'll have a heavy rehab where you'll multiply the square footage of the property by 40 to 60. At that point, when you're actually marketing the property, make sure right next to your repair estimate that you put the words "do your own due diligence" on your marketing material, so your buyers aren't like, "Isn't that cute? But it's wrong!" You know, or something like that. They're clear that they need to do their due diligence. They need to determine what their repair estimate is going to be on the property. At the end of the day, you're just providing an estimate. You're not the one actually buying the property. So I hope that really helps, gives you a little bit of comfort, and lets you know, like, look, don't stress out about it. Use this easy, replicatable repair estimate equation, pretty much. Times 5 to 10, times 20 to 30, times 40 to 60. Make your life simple. Don't overthink this stuff, guys. A lot of people aren't getting deals out here simply because they're over analyzing stuff. All right, so don't spend hours, days, months trying to figure these numbers out. Speed is the absolute key to actually getting consistent deals in this business, guys. Keep that in mind. Never forget that one aspect. Speed is the key. All right, so get out here, do what you need to do. So, guys, that's about it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, man. Look, I hope that y'all feeling healthy and blessed out there. If this video provides some value to y'all, man, make sure that y'all smack that like button for me. One time for the team, man. Be sure to not break your cell phone while you're at it, though. And drop a comment down below and just let me know, like, hey, Ed, man, look, I appreciate the value, my brother. That means the world to me, guys. Also, make sure that y'all stay tuned to the channel. I've got some more gems, some more value to drop on you all's head in the month of November and for the rest of 2020, guys. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Before I ended this video, guys, I wanted to let y'all know that I just launched my new real estate swag shop, y'all. Y'all can head over there and grab all of your We Buy Houses merch. We got phone cases, mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, masks, everything, y'all. So go ahead and get your We Buy Houses merch out here. You know, we got a few different designs on here right now, but more merch is on the way. Check the links in the description. Check out the real estate swag shop today. And until next time, guys, we are out.